Hey everyone, what if your car suddenly refuses to shift into the right gear, or your transmission gets stuck? You plug in your OBD-II scanner, and it shows P0905. Gate Select Position Circuit Low. This error means the Gate Select Position sensor isn't sending the right signals to the transmission control module, causing gear selection issues. But don't worry, I'll show you where this sensor is located, why this code appears, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0905? DTC P0905 means the TCM is receiving a low voltage signal from the Gate Select Position sensor. This sensor tells the transmission which gear the driver wants to engage. If the signal is too weak or missing, the car may fail to shift properly, enter limp mode, or show a transmission warning light. Common symptoms of P0905. Car struggles to shift gears or gets stuck in one gear. Check engine light or transmission warning light on, gear lever feels unresponsive or delayed. Rough or clunky shifting. Transmission goes into limp mode with restricted performance, sensor and component location. Very important. Gate Select Position Sensor. Location. Mounted inside or on top of the transmission housing. Typically found near the gear shift mechanism or transmission linkage. Transmission Control Module. Usually inside the engine bay near the transmission or under the dashboard. Wiring harness and connectors. Runs between the Gate Select Sensor, TCM, and the main fuse box. Check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0905? Faulty Gate Select Position Sensor. The sensor is worn out or malfunctioning. Broken or corroded wiring. Weak voltage due to bad wiring connections. Defective Transmission Control Module, failing to receive or process sensor data. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, affecting gear selection performance. Software issues, TCM software glitch or outdated firmware. How to fix P0905. Step 1. Check battery voltage. Weak power supply can affect sensor performance. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded, or loose connections. Step 3. Test the gate. Select position sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Step 4. Check transmission fluid levels. If low or dirty, replace it. Step 5. Reprogram or replace the TCM. If necessary, update its software. Ignoring P0905 can lead to serious transmission problems. Fixing it early can prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0676, Cylinder 6 Glow, Plug Circuit. P0677, Cylinder 7 Glow Plug Circuit. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.